Hi. Oh, the Band-Aid is scary, huh?
You take it off.
Oh.
This is terrible. It's just a band-aid. It's really not a big deal. Hey, don't make me need another one. Why would you do that? You don't make me need another one. It's fine. Look, it's on Daddy's fingers. See? It's all good. See? See, you can even touch it. Yeah. See? You're like literally holding it. Okay. Hey, don't fake me out. You want to step up? Oh, I hit it. You can't see it. Yeah. Okay.
He's like, but I know it's there.
Yeah. But I hit it. You can't see it. You can't see it. There we go. I do. Yay! Good fist bump! Yay! I don't have any. Okay, we'll do a hot dog. Hot dog! Whoa! Hot dog! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good hot dogs. Okay, you are being fighting. Yeah, I deserve it though. I deserve it. I know. I was messing with you with the Band-Aid. Aw, thank you for the kisses. Sure. Did you fake me out? Did you fake me out? Yeah? Why did you fake me out? Well, I don't know what to do. Don't you talk back to me. That's not nice. Oh, you got kisses? Aw, thank you for the kisses. Want another fist bump? Yeah, not with that hand, huh? Not the Band-Aid hand. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm so spooky with the Band-Aid. Oh, you want up on my head? No, you don't. What do you want? You don't know? Okay, boop, good fist bump. I don't know what you want. Hey, don't make me need another Band-Aid. What are you gonna do if I get another Band-Aid? Huh? What are you gonna do? Oh, I think you could. No, not right now.
No. He's a good boy.